Hey guys, so I haven't seen too many videos about this bad boy yet online. It's a Griot's G9 Random Orbital Polisher. This is the all new, this is 2020. This is supposed to be an improvement on the previous models that everybody know and love. Griot is one of the reasons I did go with Griot's. Ended up being they have a lifetime warranty, which you can't beat that. And then you've got others like Flex and Roops that are, professional grade, I might call it, even though look at all the professionals that do use a Griot's Garage DA polisher. So I don't mean to speak ill of that. I think this is probably professional grade as well. But just wanted to show you guys kind of what to expect when you do get it. I have already used this, which I'll put in another video. But I do like that they have simple things, basic instructions. So if you're a car noob or a hobbyist or something like that, this is your first random orbital or dual action polisher. Basic stuff: wash, clay the car. Even a step between wash and clay could be a chemical decontamination, where you pull the iron out of the paint, things like that. So there could be one even between wash and clay. But butter polish wipe. I mean, it is simple stuff. It's not earth-shattering, but the fact that somebody on their team, they just do some smart things. They've got a little diagram for you about 1 steps, 2 steps, and 3 steps paint corrections, and some suggestions for pad and polish compounding. It's just really smart stuff here. It's literally taking the guesswork. If you want to stick with all Griot's Garage products, obviously is a huge, that's the marketing piece to this really smart piece of information here, is if you follow this, you're supposed to expect these other sides over here. Here's the application, blah, 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 blah. But really smart stuff. Not a lot of companies think like the consumer who's going to be opening this product, who doesn't know things. And then they immediately go to YouTube, who might be told something that's not actually how the product's designed to be used. So I like that. So here's a little baggie. It's got a bunch of, actual owner's manuals, usage manuals. I know it's got some extra pieces to it as well. I guess we should open that up to show y'all. So what we got here, we've got the registration card. So you got to fill that out, send that in. So here's we got some springs, brushes, I assume that these are, to be able to replace. So these already come gifted to you, which is really nice. Then you've got more stuff. You got the tool for the backing plate to remove that. So if you wanted to put a smaller, larger one, or if you damage the 6-inch one that it comes with, you can certainly, hey, you get a little sticker. How's about that? And then this is going to be more the owner's manual book itself. So I'll save you the boringness of going through that. So some of the cool things about this versus some of the other ones is the detachable cord doesn't probably, rank high on a lot of people's list, but in storing things, it's just, how handy is that? And it's not just a traditional slip-on, slip-off. It actually has a clip. So it actually clips into the back rear of the housing here. So it is secured once it's in there. They actually have a video of somebody swinging it around by the tail just to show how strong it is. It is that strong. I don't think that's just a marketing video. I do think it is that strong, having used this before. You've got a strap here that goes for this end. And what this would be is if you wanted to plug this into an extension cord. So you have that end coming to here. You want to wrap this around that other cord so that they're, mated or held together by this strap, is what this is for. When my friends didn't know what it was for, so I thought I would tell y'all just in case you also don't know. It's weighty. This thing is a heavy beast. Maybe, I'm guessing, it's probably not the best way to guess, but 15 pounds, 20 pounds, maybe. It feels more than 10. I'd be shocked if it is 10, but I'm sure you can find that out online specifically. But has a nice vented 6-inch backing plate here. You've also got this, which somebody said it was Ferrari design, these gills, but that helps to dissipate and draw heat out of the end here. So the whole idea is to pull heat away from the pad where you're actually doing the polishing or correcting. heat will obviously burn through layers of paint, things like that. With a dual action random action polisher, I had never used one before, so I was quite, intimidated. Watched a ton of videos and finally decided, you know what, I'm going to give it a go. And it worked out awesome. Like, you would have to be going quite slow to do any real damage. What I did is I actually went down, and this is a really good suggestion actually, so I felt pretty smart about this. Go to a body shop or call around in your area that does bodywork repair and see if they have any scrap metal. Fender ideally would be a hood or something like that, but something that you could actually practice using this on, and different combinations of polishes, pads, things like that. Like, before you try it on your car, if you have it's your daily driver car and you want to do some small paint correction, things like that, or just enhanced gloss, don't freak out. Go get a test panel somewhere and try it out on something else. But I did, and immediately, as soon as I did it, I was like, oh man, I would have to really screw this up to mess up my paint. So I took it straight to my paint. I used a Sonax Perfect Finish with a yellow pad to both do some minor paint correction and enhanced polish, but turned out really well. Definitely popped the paint, got a better shine, deeper color. Did not fix a lot of the scratches and things that are in the paint, not just top layer. I may consider doing a deeper compound correction, but this is more about the tool more than the steps that I took, so sorry to derail that. But some of the other cool things about this is balanced weight. It's designed to be very steady. You can sincerely probably use this thing on one hand and easily not have it skipping or bouncing all over you. Whether you're left-handed or right-handed, these wheels, they both turn and they're lined up to the same numbers, which is nice, obviously. So whether you're left-handed or right-handed, you can adjust it either way. What other things do you want to know? Double shot rubber. All this black here is super thick, firm, tacky. Same here for your platypus grip. And it's got little tiny Griot garages. Let's see if I can focus in on that. The black is making it hard. If you know what their logo looks like, it's looks like the car basically from the Griot garage is shot into all these double shot rubber. But feels really good, feels really premium. What else do you want to know? It is designed to be able to put on its back and sit steadily. The way they built the actual layout of the tool, so that you can set it down, walk away without it having to be on its side or something like that, which is just a nice thought. The trigger, good feedback, and then it does have a lock. So, if you're not wanting to just continue to hold it, you can just lock it down. Tons of power. You're not going to have any issues with that. When I was doing mine, I'd applied the polish, the cream, at 1 or 2 speed, and then took it up to 5 at one point because I was feeling pretty frisky. But honestly, it's like $150. I don't know how this could be a wrong choice for a consumer, whether or not you're, going to use it once every 5 years or something like that on your personal vehicle or your spouse's vehicle or whatever the situation is. What a tool to have in your arsenal. Lifetime guarantee, lifetime warranty on them. So I absolutely give this a seal of approval. Some people want to replace this and use a smaller backing plate, especially if you have a lot of contours on your car or things like that. It might be easier to get in and out of those. This is a free spinning disc, which when you're actually using it, what that means is it will not continue to spin in place if it grabs. So if it actually does grab, it will stop spinning. So again, it should be almost, air quotes, impossible to actually mar or burn through the paint. Keeping it flat, don't get an edge on it or anything like that. But hopefully that's helpful for you guys. Let's show you the box just so you know that's everything that's in the box, of course. But have fun in your garage is kind of one of their slogans. Oh, bang, there you go. Produce amazing results just like this. But yeah, so they've got the fan-cooled counterbalance, extends tool backing plate, and pad life. So it is a 1,000-watt motor. Just I'd forgotten to actually mention the actual wattage. That's a lot more than a lot of polishers in this price range or slightly below it. You can probably find a decent polisher for 79 bucks on Amazon, things like that. This has got a lifetime warranty, all the power you're ever going to need, no matter if this becomes, you know, a first-time purchase, and then it becomes something that you enjoy and you get better at it, and then you have to buy another one or a better one, or it breaks on you. I'm always of the opinion it's much easier to buy it right the first time than to buy it wrong twice. Anyhow, keep the shiny side up. Motorcycle comments. Anyhow, hope you guys are having a good day. Hope this is helpful. Let me know if there's any questions you have about this, or if you're considering buying it. What else are you trying to consider between? There's a lot of different things that are out there. The new Max Shine is one I was super considering before I made this decision to buy this, just from different reviews and everything like that. And honestly, one of the biggest selling points was the lifetime guarantee and the fact that Griot's Garage really stand behind the products that they sell. I just love that in today's modern consumer environment. There's so little of that going on that I just, you know, take my money, please, kind of a mentality. I'd much rather give my money to a company that's going to stand behind what they sell than one that's maybe fly by night, not going to be around. Talk to y'all soon. Hope you're well. Again, appreciate it very much. If you like the video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you will. That certainly helps me in the channel and lets me know you like the stuff that we're doing. Anyhow, sincerely, have a great day. Appreciate you. Be safe.